Hi, so today we'll be doing table of half. Okay, we'll be doing table of half. So to do that, what we'll do is firstly we'll see that decimals are those fractions that have their denominators as 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So this is what our fractions are. Now we need to see the table of half. So what we'll do is we'll try finding the value of half into 1 firstly. Now to do this, what we'll do is we'll try to find the equivalent fraction of half by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. So what do we get here? We get 1 into 5 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 5. And what do we get here? We get 5 upon 10, which is equal to 0.5. Now let's see what will be our half into 2. So let's make the denominator as 10. How we'll do that? We'll find the equivalent fraction of half by multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. So we get here 5 into 2 upon 2 into 5 into 1 into 1. Okay. And here we get 10 by 10. Since there is only 110 in the denominator, we'll get our decimal point here and it will be 1.0. Now let's see what will be half into 3. In the same manner, we multiply numerator and denominator by 5 and we get here 5 into 3 divided by 2 into 5, which is 15 upon 10, and that's equal to 1.5. So in the similar manner you can keep on finding. Let's see, let's just calculate this firstly. It will be 5 upon 10, and now we just need to find half into 4, which can be written as 5 upon 10 into 4, and that will be 20 upon 10, which is 2.0. 2.0. And now let's see, half into 5, and that is 5 upon 10 into 5, which is 25 upon 10, and that is 2.5. And we can go on like that. But one thing which is interesting is seeing these on number line. Here we have 0, here we have 1, and in the middle we have our half, which was 0.5. Alright, I'll just extend the number line here. This is 1, this is here you'll have somewhere 2, so you will have 2.5 here, but this 0 is also equal to 0 upon 10. 1 is equal to 10 by 10, and your half, what is it equal to? It's equal to 5 upon 10. So we see the relationship between decimals and fractions in this manner, and in the next video I'll try covering the table of 1 by 4. If you have any doubts in this, you can leave a comment down. Thank you.